these are just two special conditions that he uses: drowsy and asleep. Got special conditions, they're very special.
Is that in turn?
Yeah, that's my end of turn. That was a very successful turn. Resounding success.
Like that. Seeing now that the foe is very much, ranged, they're going to back up a little bit. I mean, melee oriented.
Yeah, he doesn't want no smoke with me. Oh yeah.
This one's going to shoot at Katone. And the other two are just go over here to shoot the first person who comes in range. So, Katone take 3 damage.
Yep.
And these two just have the action
I
left.
believe that's to the torso.
Yep, to the torso.
Okay.
Just bang!
Rounded up or down?
Rounded... Isn't it rounded up? Or is it rounded down?
It was never specified.
Just rounded down.
Okay, well, -1 black arrow for round.
Eric.
Yeah.
Burn.
Oh, yeah, it's my turn. Okay. Ed is gonna pull out his shotgun. He's gonna move over here, and he's gonna he's gonna move over here, and he's gonna fire his shotgun at that person twice. Piercing strike.
Oh yeah, you're getting shot at, by the way. Did you move in range?
Okay, yeah.
So you both miss and take 4 damage to the torso.
Oh,
Also, can you list your health off on your token, please? Same with you, Dave.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Do I have to put it in passive?
No, click on your token, click on the gear, then go to ball 1 and put in.
Okay.
Your token on the map.
Okay. Yeah, I still don't know how to do it.
Okay, hold on. I'm pinging it. Click on your token. Click on the gear. There's a thing that says ball 1. Put in the value of your current health to the left and your max health to the right.
Okay.
And then
Uh-oh.
What the fuck did you do?
Oh wow.
what's your current health? How much damage have you taken?
Taken at least 4 damage.
Okay.
I think. Yeah, it's
There.
4 damage.
Okay, that should be it for you, look.
Got it.
Is that the end of your turn? After you slug miserably failed?
Yep, that's the end of my turn.
Okay. Tai.
Oh, shot and
You gonna
specifically
skip
on
me?
Dave. Got Dave. I don't know how he got Dave. Oh, that's why. Dorner got a bit fucked because their token got deleted. Blank. There we go.
Oh, he got 18, yeah.
Yeah, so it'll go on to Dave. Just leave it on my turn for now, though, so we don't fucking throw another more. Okay.
There we go. Alright, Dave.
Yeah, he's just gonna charge up and smack him with a hammer.
Big ball.
Okay. No, you don't.
Damn.
It's a big hammer, so. Alright. Miss.
Whoosh.
That's my turn.
The swing goes wide. Tai turn.
Okay, now let's do this proper. Immediately step up 1, 2, 3. And assuming not in range for being shot at the moment.
Yep.
Okay, case. I think I used. Was it Miki or Dari last? Miki. Okay, so beyond the Dari. Fuck it, I'll taste this guy. I'm gonna be using Side Shot. It should have a +2 to hit. Thank God. In which case that's 16, and has 3 more rolls for electric damage, and inflicting disoriented.
Roll it.
Vicious everywhere.
Quickly 3d20. Well, look, that's 2 electric damage, and I'm gonna grab disoriented now. Also,
Okay.
I try to track it via whichever current baton I've used last, which is okay, I think. It's just minor scrolling. But disoriented. Very tell what's happening. Choose a random target to make an attack with multiple potential targets, including allies. There's a -1 to core movement and -2 to all attacks. And that's +1 to my beat meter. Oh no, oh god. I realized Stick Switch can be used after an ability.
Oh, fun.
Also means that's a Dari used. Stick Switch. And that's over to Migi, which also means hitting this guy in the face. That's 6. And I'm 90% sure he should be down, I don't know.
Okay, he takes 3 damage, he's still up.
I said, yeah, I'll let that.
End of turn?
Yeah, that should be.
Okay.
Just gonna do my
Yosef.
cost. Ooh, I get +2 crit range for my basic attacks. Beth, your turn.
Alrighty. Let's see what we got going on here. Enemy gamers in need of punching, I see. Very cool. Where is that guy? Oh, very far away, actually. Do I still have my movement bonus from the Gatorade, or?
Let me check Gateway real quick.
Yeah, I would say.
Okay, no, you do not. It's for the turn it's drank.
Rats. Okay. Well, I can still move. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can I still attack him from here? Is that still viable?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. I will hit him with a sleep.
You're getting shot in the back of the head, by the way.
Oh wow, cringe. I'm hitting him with
Takes
a
aim, entirely misses. Shot goes
Ding.
wide. Bang!
Bingo. Get him mad at you.
Okay. So this guy takes 3 damage, he gets drowsy also.
Woohoo! Drowsy. He's sleepy now. Dude's sleepy.
Yep.
Sleepy guy. Big sleepy guy.
So have your turn?
Yep. That's on my turn.
Okay, gang your turn. So first off, good old fella here receives -1 movement. He moves back 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to take a shot at you two. This is going to roll to hit on one of you. Checking. Yep. Right. Okay, so here we go. 1 is Katone, 2 is Dave.
Guy couldn't hit the broadside of a barn!
Okay, Katone's being shot.
I was trying to make it so that I would get shot.
Katone, that's an 8, still hits. Katone takes 3.
Goddamn, I'm not plucky with damage today.
End of turn.
That you're the enemy's Clank.
Oh. 1,
To
2,
be fair,
3,
things are
4.
mildly a mess.
Hold on. Let me just check the details of Drowsy again real quick. Okay, yep. So 4, that's about how much he can move. He's going to turn around, take aim at Yosef and fire.
Dink.
Bam! Take him 3 damage to the chest.
Youch.
It's even a 14 hits.
Okay. So, torso. That means...
1 damage to the 50.
What?
That 1 damage to the torso.
Okay. 1 damage. Well, that's 25. And then I take 3 damage. So, shot. Bang, bang.
Afterwards, so that guy fired. This man, however, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, double move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Uh-oh, we got a runner.
Going.
And in terms of the gangs, Erickton.
After Eric seeing that guy winning through the door, he's gonna like catch. He's trying to intercept that person by. Wait, let me see if I have enough movements.
You have a Gatorade as well.
Oh, you giving me a giveaway?
I gave everyone 1 Gatorade at the beginning of the battle.
Yes.
Oh, gotcha.
We all got Gatorade.
Yeah, I think I have enough to move all the way here. And he's gonna like. I guess I can try to do. No, I'm just gonna shoot him with a Mauser C96 pistol. I got a 13.
Very well. Managed to shoot him.
Point blank. And
Yep, bang.
he will get 1 stack of shock though, since I'm going to use my talent called Poetic Demonstration.
Okay, he gains a stack of shocks.
And I'll be ending my turn here.
Very well. Dave.
Page.
Sorry, what? My
You'll
turn.
go. Yeah, you'll go.
Yes, your turn.
Alright. Let's smack this guy again. At least I'm gonna try. That's a not pretty, right?
Oh,
Yeah, that's a partial, so he'll take 4 damage, which still knocks him down.
Yeah, that's right. Get out of here.
No, thank God for that one caveat of if my target dies, I can switch to another enemy if they've died.
Alright, that's my turn.
Okay. Tie.
In which case, 1, 2, 3, and plus minus Maggie, which means the body. It also means this has +2 to hit, and I will be striking at his head. Which means total -4?
Yeah, -4. Right for the head.
Well, fuck.
You go wide.
Damn,
I'll
no.
try this again, and fuck.
Oh.
No.
Rolls don't like. Oh.
That's at 1, 4, and I officially lost 1 tick, which means I don't have crit range on that basic tech anymore.
No.
By the way, that's end of turn. I thankfully am a simple
Have
character.
Okay. Yosef.
That's my turn. Unfortunately, this guy's up. Actually, wait. Oh, never mind. I can. He's within punching distance. Yippee.
You never want to be within punching distance.
Yes.
I am going to use. You know what? I'm just going to use cold block. I'm gonna hit him with cold block. Oh yeah, there we go. That's what we like to see.
He takes 4 damage. And
Yeah.
he wanted a stack of drowsy, didn't he?
I don't know actually. No, this was the guy up here. I think. No, that was different. I don't remember.
So yeah, he would be. So that means he's that means he's asleep.
Ah, cool. I just didn't know
Actually,
there was no
impressive how
marker
quickly
on
he was
him.
put out. It is impressive how quickly he was put out.
It is part of my fighting style. I hit them so hard that they force themselves to sleep.
I feel like I'm around this turn somehow again.
End of turn.
End of turn. Punch
Dang,
the
it's
guy.
turn.
Sleep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And he disappears finally. He went down the stairs.
Oh, god damn it.
Oh, we gotta run it.
One, 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Alright then. And nobody else is capable of acting at the moment up here. So we move on to Eric.
Also means we're
Yeah.
Listen, down the
After
floor.
seeing that guy spin it downstairs, he's gonna try to tell him behind. Is this enough to go downstairs?
Yeah, but remember, also movement action, managed to reach down the stairs if you look down, and you see him.
Oh, he's far away.
Yeah, he's fucking bolting.
He's running.
Okay.
Oh, he's running. Smells like bitch in here.
Okay, I got a question. Can I make a special request?
Go on.
Okay, so can I use a special ability for what it counts and use a stun grenade as well as using my shotgun as a bat? So I'm basically gonna like use my shotgun, my Remington Model 870 as a baseball.
What do you
bat,
mean
and
Remington? Remingtons do not exist here. What the hell are you on about?
Oh, okay, never mind. A shotgun.
That's a Deertech 990.
Yeah, Technic 989. I'm sorry, I should
So
like
brother,
rename
so
these.
bro is gonna use his shotgun as a baseball. Knock his
Yes.
gun.
I will let you, and you can get extra range, but you're going to have to roll higher than normal.
Okay.
Okay.
Like high
I'll take
success, or quit to get this off.
Got it.
Good luck with that.
Let's go. No, I got it. 13.
No.
Unfortunately not. You try to bat the grenade. It banks off this wall, it clatters over here and explodes out of range of the guy.
Dang it.
End
I
of
can't do
turn.
anything else. Yep.
Alright, Dave.
Alrighty. I'm going to slam my sledgehammer into the ground and try to break through to the floor.
Okay. Are you trying to break the floor?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to roll for that? Okay, since that's a low six, you managed to do it. So I am into the floor. So The floor crumbles. This is an old house. It hasn't been used by anyone. Suddenly, it collapses, and you fall down a story, slamming into the blood room down here.
Oh,
Take 5 fall damage.
Alrighty.
And the corpse falls with you.
I'm downstairs, boys.
That's one way to get down the stairs.
And then I guess for my movement, I can use that to stand up.
Yeah.
And then
It's so much
I'll
fun
just-
how polygons no longer work for me. I love that.
just walk to there. In the doorway. Ah, this must be the room that they found earlier.
End of turn.
That's the end of my turn, yeah.
Okay, Tai.
Oh. She ends up looking over to Yosef, just... Should we make sure he's fully unconscious, or is he going to stay asleep for a while?
I believe we should be certain that he's truly out.
Got it.
Do what you must.
Alright. Bonk.
Whack. Whack. Give him a little whack. Whack on the head. It's alright. Bunk.
That's 21.
Yeah, boy.
This is hitting the asleep target, by the way.
Oh, yeah. Does Rude Awake... Oh, does my talent affect other people, or is it just me? I have to look at the word actually. I don't know if I need it if it just affected him, or... You know, actually, let me post it. Yeah.
Okay. So he's just down. He's unconscious now.
Well, that
He's
worked for
done
me at
though.
least. Should
Well
we
done.
follow Dave or take the stairs?
I will follow.
You will?
I got it, man. One thing for myself. You can join me in jumping.
You know what? I've encountered human Gatorade and whatever it is, and crazy people breaking floors and everything. I might as well. With that,
Now you are
will-
getting into this.
Tai will hop down as safely as she humanly can.
Tai, roll me a d20 for Constitution.
Well,
12, alright. I guess I should roll one too since I'm also dropping down. Slightly worse.
Yep. Tai, you only take 3, and Yosef, you're taking the full 5.
3 damage and how much to limbs?
3 to each of your legs. Well, you know, 1 to each of your legs.
Okay.
Where is everybody else?
Everybody drop down.
Oh,
Here's
this
the
was the
leg.
room that you found. Oh, this is grisly.
Gruesome. Yes, that is a word.
Ah, hey guys!
Hey, Dave.
Hello. Shalom.
And, do I have any more movement left after all this?
You have 2 movement.
Okay. 1, 2.
You probably didn't fall on your butt like I did.
Yeah. Yosef, you're grounded for the moment being.
And with that, end of turn.
Okay. Yosef, you'll go.
Okay. I guess we go. I can't really do much for 1, 2, 3, 4. Excuse me. He says very politely as he passes the both of you. And that's really all I can do. There's no enemy gamers in sight. Oh, I can double move. I'm gonna do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Okay, double move. That's my turn.
Okay. This guy busts through the door, 1, 2. He stops in his tracks, seeing you're coming from there.
How did he get there?
But instead of running the other way. He just laughs. Tell me, Vigilante, do you know what a rat does when it's cornered?
It goes to sleep. That is what it does.
No.
Oh.
It fights until every inch of blood is drained from it. His eyes flash red. Suddenly, Dave, you noticed the guy who seemed to be down just stands back up.
What the fuck?
Oh,
Oh,
howdy there.
he
Whoosh, jumping down the hole. Whoosh, landing nimbly. The eyes are glowing red. Whoosh.
I don't like where this is going.
Most of them have discarded their guns as they show their claws, which they bite into down to bone and muscle, turning them into claws, dripping with blood.
Hell nah. So these guys are these guys. They're not vampires. What are they? Are they like zombies or something?
Are you saying this in character?
No, I'm saying this out of character.
How do you know they're not vampires?
I mean, I don't know. I'm acting out of character. What the fuck are these things? They're not vampires.
I'm plunging that guy's head in.
I'm pretty sure you said they weren't vampires, unless I'm crazy, and you didn't say that.
I never said they were. I just said you couldn't see fangs on them.
Okay.
They all begin laughing in synchronicity. I guess. Well, you know. So we have sensitive documents. We can't let you be seeing them. But it's time for a blood feast. They hiss, all of them in unison, as they begin to lurch towards you.
Uh-oh.
I am very hydrated.
I am very tired. Let us do this.
Suddenly, coming down the stairs from behind you, by the way, Eric, you feel a hand on your shoulder.
Oh.
I look behind me.
Straight into your face. Both of those hit in the face. So take
Jesus,
8 damage.
We are getting jumped. Oh, fucking duck. This is bad. This is bad, Your Honor.
Like I said, take 8 damage, and that's a 4 limbs damage to your head, Eric.
Okay. Oh, that hurt me. That hurt me a lot.
Yep. And then this. Oh yeah, 1 stack of bleed as well.
Oh my god, it just
come
keeps getting worse. What the fuck? We're getting jumped.
He hisses at you, madness in his eyes as he laughs maniacally.
Come on, why do you have to do this?
Because mortals are overrated. We are eternal now.
It's more than life than just simply killing. I mean, wait, what am I saying? Of course I like killing.
Well, I hope you like being killed as much.
Oh shit.
And hold on, I'm filling out the new stamina real quick. And then I'm just going to. The old status are cleared off of them, especially the ones who are like dead, or seemingly unconscious or dead. And as I said, okay, and of course, let me just show real quick. Thrall vampire.
Telling me that I don't think I can make it out of here alive.
I think we should run. I think we should honestly run.
I didn't get paid enough for this.
You know what? Your running suggestion may not be a bad idea.
Let's get the heck out of here.
Okay, oh, yeah, I'm sure they hadn't gone yet. Shit. This one's going to move up. Wait, no. Okay, yeah, that's one of the ones with his guns left. And he just aims it at Yosef. Bam!
Here. Ow, fucking ouch. I'm just dying. Okay. This motherfucker needs to die so we can get out of here. Because he's the only thing. If they run back, then we can just leave through the door. Anyway. So we just gotta kill this guy here. So everybody
Were you
just
able to
blitz this
see
dude.
anything else? Like down that hallway?
Anyways, this one moves up. This one moves up. They kind of like, show their claws and then stab at you.
Oh, so they get to go all the way from jumping down and also attack me?
Yeah, let me roll the Constitution real quick from jumping down and see if, they land on their feet good enough. Okay, yeah, I guess.
Oh, come on.
I swear to God, if I'm the only survivor out of this party somehow.
One of them
Oh my
swipes
God,
at you. The other one swipes so hard, he misses and stabs himself in the arm, and he hisses at himself.
This is himself.
Nice.
God,
Fuck
son
it.
of a fucking... This last one is just going to shoot at you. No, his gun jams.
Oh,
This is-
let's
that
go.
once.
Yeah,
Wow.
click. Motherfucking...
Man, you guys suck at this.
Shut the fuck up. We didn't ask you.
Get it? Because you're vampires?
He's just dumbfounded. He's going to skip his next turn.
Wow.
Proceeded
That
to
worked
be
out good for us.
such a-
Eric turn.
What? Well, knowing that I can't able to, beat this vampire up, Eric is gonna do the
I mean, you
most
could try,
logical
yes.
thing. Yeah, I know. He's gonna get the fuck out of here.
By the way, make a perception check, by the way.
Oh, okay. I got a 14.
Pretty good. You notice parts of him are still gurgling and bubbling from particularly the parts that he was hit. Make me a just wisdom check real quick, just like natural intuition.
Okay. Nope. Don't know anything.
Oh my God, they're immortal. You can't kill them. One.
That's true.
Well, we
I
can kill
am
them.
one
It's
A.
just painful. The heart.
Yeah, listen,
Uh,
I didn't bring any garlic paper Gatorade, so...
Yeah. Eric is gonna move
Please
over
don't tell me
here
that
and
actually exists.
Hopefully not.
he's gonna use his action to double move.
Okay.
Gatorade is
Yeah,
holy
he's gonna
water.
move over here.
All right.
Nope, I want him out. And I'm gonna end my turn.
All right, Dave's turn. Dave,
All right.
you want me the same checks as our good friend Eric over here, real quick?
Sure, which checklist first?
Perception.
So I'm rolling a d20. 4. What do I see?
Oh my God. Just re-roll that. Everybody's been rolling like shit.
Yeah, this whole session.
7. What do I
Pretty
see?
crappy.
Lucky
roll.
number. Okay, you
Very
see the
good.
same thing. Bubbling,
Ah.
gurgling patches of flesh on these people when they were hit. Not fully regenerated. Roll me wisdom. You feel as if they're somehow weaker than a normal vampire, as if they're not truly immortal like those things are against anything that's not silver, holy, or steak.
Ah, I think we can still kill these guys.
I mean, do we have
Anyways.
anything that can kill them?
I'm pretty sure my hammer is made of lead, but I'm gonna hit it anyways. I'm gonna attack the vampire that attacked himself.
Okay, aiming for anything or just the torso?
Just the torso. I mean,
Okay.
is this the one I hit in the torso previously? No, that's the one that ran up behind
Yeah.
Sword. Yeah, I'm just hitting the torso. So I'm attacking the one that should be already injured.
Okay, he gets slammed for 5 damage. Ah. He stumbles backwards.
Alright. They may not be immortal, but they may also be very hard to kill. So maybe when I look out onto the other side where there's all this darkness in the hallway, is there anywhere else to go, or is it just this?
Not
Just-
okay. Whoopsie. It leads to a wall.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah.
Okay, we're cornered.
We're not cornered. We can still get out of here. And I'll go ahead and 1, 2, 3, 4. Does diagonal spaces count as 1?
It counts 1.5, except we don't carry over the 0.5.
Okay, so 1.5, 2, 3.5,
4.5.
4.5.
What's your move?
And then-
What's your build?
I am medium.
Okay, so you can remove 5.
Okay, then I'll do this so you've got somewhere to run to.
Okay. And your turn, Dave?
That's the end of my turn, yes.
Tie.
Okay, how can I put this simply? Should I make the same checks?
Yeah, go ahead.
Fun.
We rolled that 3. Jesus Christ. Why are you all rolling this shit?
I don't know, man. Who
I
knows?
guess God. Fucking damn it.
Oh my
I mostly blame Lady Luck.
Oh my god. Fuck you too, Lady Luck. Some bullshit.
It's a full load.
Hey, buddy, you have a hide revealed plug? Should I just keep that 5 or reroll again?
Just keep that 5. Just maybe Yosef will get it.
Alright.
I mean, I yelled it out once I was yelling out stuff.
Okay, you know what? From that, Katona, you can reroll that again. You get the advantage.
Okay.
I was like, these guys aren't immortal. Okay, they might not be
Okay,
immortal, but
okay,
they're pretty
fine.
hard
You know
to
what?
kill.
Dun, 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 dun. They seem, as they might say, half-baked. You feel as if a bit of aftercare once they're down might help out.
For a moment, Katone is considering a tactic.
So if we keep killing them, they'll just keep coming back. But every time they do, they take more damage.
And you can also attack them while they're down and reviving.
Ah,
There's
okay.
3 of them there, 1 of me. How much do I honestly want to see if I can do this?
I'm just saying, if we like funnel them into this hallway, it'll be pretty easy to just.
You know what? You have a good point. 1, 2, and she will hold her action for if any of them come within range.
All right, Yosef.
There's this one up here. Should I just like beat the shit out of him? I guess it's
Sure.
probably gonna type this. Yeah, let's go for it. I feel like I should go for the extra damage in the pulled clock, so I think I will. Please roll good. I didn't roll for shit, and now I'm gonna die.
Yeah, no worries. Clank is currently out. So, I assume that's just the end of your turn. You don't have to gamble your life.
I mean, I just want to. My plan is to kill this guy so we can like move out the way, because he's up here, and he's in our way. So why don't we just kill him and then everyone can leave safely? You just ditch.
I mean, are we literally staying here to fight, or are we just fleeing?
We're fighting as we flee. We're
Fighting,
we're
okay.
testing the waters.
The thought of a fucking Yakuza game, like that, just fucking Yakuza family in Oklahoma is the better part.
I mean, if we knock him down, I assume we just keep hitting him until he's smashed into paste.
Yeah, and then that'll keep him down for good.
That's
Well.
the idea.
Good thing I'm playing a Teiko character.
Yeah, but here's the problem. There's literally 5 of them.
And
That's
boy,
why I'm till this one up here, so we can then like leave safely without getting swiped on the way.
I totally agree with that.
Agree with what?
Agree with fleeing this building alive. Because staying here to fight is basically suicidal.
Yeah,
Because you're
I'm
in
not
enclosed
staying
quarters.
here to fight. I'm fighting. I'm fleeing as I fight. Fighting.
Technically, we're doing both.
yes, that
Pretty
is
much.
what they are saying.
Yep.
You're all the 380.
Yeah, unfortunately you miss him. Just call it like, holy shit, there's 5 vampires in here, but you whiff.
And with that should be in the turn.
Yep.
Next turn.
Plus it means and that.
So, this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh.
Double move.
Oh, so we can't.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one's just going to, look at Yosef. He's just going to put the gun against his chest. Bang. Takes 3 damage, Yosef.
Ouchie. Well, I'm pretty much about to die. That's great.
Wait, which one's shooting?
Held
One
action, baby!
One right next to Yosef.
Yep. Oh, Yosef is crying eyes guy, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
I was Jack.
Because this guy lost his gun because he stole it.
No, he stole the knife.
Oh, he stole a knife. Yeah.
I mean, it's a good choice doing this knife, not gonna lie.
Yeah, I mean, now all he has is claws.
Wait, didn't he have a... Oh, wait, never mind. He doesn't even have a gun. Yeah.
Anyways, whoosh.
Held
Take it.
action.
Get the held action.
And hit Dottie. Bonk.
Bang.
There's one slam. And then there's two.
Okay, so that's 1 damage, that's 2 damage total, but he takes some plasma burn and also 2s. I mean, it's like the 3 damage total just from 2s.
Yep, and I'm gonna show a tune for the audience as well. Cool. If I can find it in here, because it's usually in the abyss, because of course it is. Dude, you are tuned to incoming damage almost sonically almost. Every incoming damage deals one extra instance of the 1 damage. For instance taken, there's a -1 to the next roll. I can flick this freely, and that's fun. In any case, that's the end of my held action. Keep going.
Okay. He's just going to claw at you.
Awesome. That's +2 to beat here.
Take him 4 damage. And then 1 stack of bleed.
Right, and that's 2 damage to the torso.
Yep. Well, 4 damage
I
is
thought you
also
said
good.
I was taking 4 damage. I'm like, oh fuck, that
Yeah.
means I'm 0. Ixnay, I'm zeroed out.
Yep, that's me right now.
Okay, phew.
Okay.
Well, not good that
They
you
can't.
said
They
that.
can't really get past him. It's a 1-by-1 hallway. It's too tight. End of turn for them. Eric.
Okay, after knowing that he can't outrun with this vampire, he's gonna look at him behind. He's gonna just like move to the side. You know, I'll give you one option to ender. Please reconsider the fact that if you kill me, there will be more operatives that are tailing behind you. So I might as well consider the fact
kill
that
them
you
too.
can't. Oh god. Well, I guess I'll try. I tried my best. Persuading you is never gonna work. So he's gonna
No
waste his
reason it
shotgun,
wouldn't.
center mass, and he's gonna pull the trigger.
Boom. Slam it.
Nope, it's a 5.
You know what?
Lucky.
The gods smile on you. Yeah, we will.
Yay!
We will.
Augers. Evil.
Nope, it doesn't work.
Fuck.
Wow!
Wow. Holy
rolling
shit.
We're rolling like shit this entire game. Oh
You
my
rolled a
God.
15. He takes 3 damage.
Hog champ. There we go.
Yowzer. And plus, I'm gonna activate my talent Voltec demonstration to give him 1 point of shock.
He takes 1 point of shock.
Ouchie.
End of turn.
I'm gonna end my turn.
Take 1d2 bleed damage.
Youch.
Don't forget your Gatorade.
Yep. Oh, I got a 1.
1d2.
Oh, 1d2.
Yeah, 1d2.
Oops, I misheard that.
And 1 is already part of 1d2.
Yeah, can I say 1 is supposed to be the...
Yeah, go ahead. You take 1.
You got 1 out of 1d4.
Yeah,
That
I'm
deserves it.
completely lucky.
You want to keep running now?
I guess so. I guess I'll move over here. And I'll be ending my turn.
Okay. Dave.
Alrighty. Dave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm gonna smack this guy in the skull. Not the
Okay.
actual skull, in the torso.
Oh, okay. I mean, you could potentially deal 14 damage to his head if you went for the head.
You know what? Fine, I'm gonna smack this guy in the skull.
Okay, in the skull.
I'm gonna crush this guy's skull.
Gold is bored, silly style. Tell me he succeeds.
Wham!
Wow.
Into the skull.
So that's gonna be a good old 16 damage, which is 8 times 2.
Whoa.
16 reduced by.
Oh my god.
He is wheeling.
Congratulations, you just destroyed his fucking skull.
Yeah, congratulations. He is
Done.
almost dead. He is almost dead in one go as he stumbles.
What's his head health?
Come on.
Or does head have health?
Let me see his head health. I forget what it would be. I have to just check. And so that's going to be oh, okay, so that's going to be good old minus 9. Okay, 17 minus that. Okay, he is definitely yep, he is. He's blind, dazed, and he gets a -2 to all rolls because his head is injured.
Nice.
So he's basically a not threatened.
Do you want to bet on that?
I mean, I'd like to.
Where did this guy come from? Get out of here.
Just smack that guy's skull in.
So you smash him in the head. Half his head is now caved in. His sunglasses are entirely shattered off his face as he glares at you angrily.
Motherfucker can't
Oh
talk
man, you
yet.
gotta do something about that speech impediment. That's even my turn.
He aims his gun at you angrily, as of course. Cause Tai, you're leading a conga.
And if I remember right, last thing I used was Migi, which also means Hidari. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it simple. Also, I've hit another benchmark. I now have +2 damage with my basic attacks.
Fun.
And now for the +2 to hit. Hidari. That is 13 for 4 damage.
That reduced down to 1. This is reduced down to 2 actually. This is DOR.
Yep, fine with me, in which case 6 switch. This is I am very success. Hey!
Yeah.
Yes, -1. And hit it with Migi for 5.
Okay, this is just down
Another
to
second plasma
3.
burn, another second tunes.
Yep.
So that's
Okay, so he's taking 2 extra then.
and now ends the stick switch rolled a great success. Hit it again. No, I do not.
Unfortunate.
But I got +2 to my beat meter at least.
He's scowling at you, silently muttering swears.
Hey, you're trying. I'm gonna spend 2 of my movement in order to clear that 1 second lead. And with that, move 1, and basically just keep the line vertical.
Fair enough. Yosef's turn.
Okay.
This guy's already kind of slumped over. He's obviously still going from the fucking head. That head be gone.
Well then, allow me to assist him with that. And by assist him, I mean make it worse. Please let me kill this motherfucker. Please.
Alright, I'm gonna save bonus action real quick for the meter.
Oh, what? Yeah, I got it. I'm using cold clock again.
We roll that. Fuck that.
Thank you. Please roll better.
Wow.
Yes.
5 damage.
Yes.
He is
Perfect.
knocked to He is knocked to -3 plus 4, 7 right now.
All right. Sick.
You have 3 rounds to knock him to -20.
Okay. All right then. Oh, you know what I should have done then in that case? I should have used sleeper hold. That would have been smart. Use sleeper hold on it. Why didn't I do that? Dang it.
I mean, he's pretty defenseless, just sitting there on the ground, though, right?
Yeah, he's not fighting back. He's slowly regenerating.
Oh, okay, good. So we just keep kicking the shit out of it.
Yeah.
It's like that one scene from the end of Chainsaw Man where they just Denji and Aki literally just fucking repeatedly kick the guy in the nuts over and over again.
Do we get like crit or anything since he's down?
I'll just say you can You can just take a 10 on any hits against him.
Oh, good.
Because
That's
he is
fantastic.
very much a body twitching on the ground right now. He's regenerating.
That's...
No, the enemy turn. I'm probably gonna get damaged.
Where are you going?
Far
I can
away.
hunt you. I can hunt you down any day of the week.